The science-backed benefits of meditation, a deep dive. Meditation has rapidly gained popularity in recent years, not just as a spiritual or wellness trend, but as a scientifically validated practice with transformative benefits. As a seasoned meditation trainer, I have witnessed firsthand how consistent meditation practice can drastically enhance mental clarity, emotional stability, physical health, and overall well being. 1. Meditation and stress reduction. One of the most well documented benefits of meditation is its ability to reduce stress. According to a study published in Psychosomatic Medicine, participants who practiced mindfulness meditation experienced significantly reduced levels of the stress hormone cortisol. When we meditate, especially using techniques like mindful breathing or body scan, we activate the parasympathetic nervous system. This response counters the fight or flight mode triggered by stress, helping the body return to a state of balance. Just 10 to 20 minutes a day of mindful meditation can measurably reduce stress levels over time. 2. Meditation improves focus and attention span. In our hyper-distracted digital age, meditation offers a scientifically supported way to reclaim our attention. A study from Harvard University revealed that participants who engaged in an 8-week mindfulness course improved their ability to maintain focus and reduce mind wandering. Regular meditation increases gray matter density in brain regions linked to attention and memory, such as the prefrontal cortex and the hippocampus. Meditation helps train the brain to stay anchored in the present moment, improving productivity and cognitive performance. 3. Meditation enhances emotional regulation. Emotional regulation is key to maintaining healthy relationships and mental health. Meditation has been shown to increase emotional awareness and improve emotional resilience. Research from the University of Wisconsin-Madison found that experienced meditators showed increased activity in the left prefrontal cortex, a region associated with positive emotions and emotional balance. Meditation allows individuals to respond to emotional triggers with calm and awareness rather than react impulsively. 4. Meditation and anxiety reduction. Millions suffer from anxiety, often seeking solutions in medication or therapy. Meditation offers a natural and accessible approach. A meta-analysis published in JAMA Internal Medicine concluded that mindfulness meditation programs can help reduce anxiety, depression, and pain. Meditation decreases activity in the amygdala, the brain's fear center, which is hyperactive in anxious individuals. Consistent meditation can rewire the brain to respond to stressors with greater calm and confidence. 5. Meditation improves sleep quality. Struggling with sleep? Meditation has been scientifically shown to improve sleep quality and reduce symptoms of insomnia. Guided meditations and body scan techniques help calm the mind and prepare the body for restful sleep. Meditation increases melatonin production and reduces heart rate, supporting the body's natural sleep cycle. A few minutes of meditation before bed can lead to deeper, more restorative sleep. 6. Meditation strengthens the immune system. The immune system is intricately connected to our mental state. Chronic stress weakens immune defenses, making the body vulnerable. Meditation helps counteract this. A study conducted at the University of Wisconsin found that people who meditated regularly had increased antibody production and improved immune response. Meditation supports overall health by reducing stress-related inflammation and boosting immune efficiency. 7. Meditation enhances self-awareness. Self-awareness is the cornerstone of personal development. Through meditation, individuals become more conscious of their thoughts, patterns, and behaviors. Neuroscience research shows that meditation increases connectivity between the brain's default mode network, DMN, and areas involved in introspection. Meditation acts as a mirror, helping practitioners understand themselves more deeply and make empowered life choices. 8. Meditation supports pain management. Chronic pain is not only physically debilitating but also emotionally draining. Meditation can significantly reduce the perception of pain. A 2011 study published in the Journal of Neuroscience found that just 4 days of mindfulness meditation reduced pain perception by 57%. Meditation changes the way the brain interprets pain signals, offering natural relief and improved quality of life. 9. Meditation cultivates compassion and empathy. Meditation doesn't just benefit the individual, it also improves how we relate to others. Loving kindness, metta, meditation, in particular, has been shown to increase empathy and reduce social isolation. A study from Stanford University demonstrated that just a few weeks of compassion meditation increased positive feelings toward oneself and others. Meditation fosters emotional connection, kindness, and deeper human relationships. 10. Meditation promotes long-term brain health. As we age, preserving brain health becomes essential. Meditation has been linked to slowing cognitive decline and enhancing neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new connections. Long-term meditators show increased cortical thickness and reduced brain aging compared to non-meditators, according to research published in Neuroimage. Meditation is a powerful tool for maintaining mental agility and brain vitality across the lifespan. Final thoughts from a meditator. The science is clear. Meditation isn't just a spiritual luxury, it's a vital wellness practice backed by decades of research. Whether your goal is to reduce stress, sleep better, improve focus, or simply reconnect with yourself, meditation offers a holistic and accessible path to healing. As a seasoned trainer, I encourage you to start small, stay consistent, and observe how even a few minutes a day can lead to profound shifts in your mind, body, and life. Meditation is not about perfection, it's about presence. Explore the power of meditation, one breath at a time.